In this special video, I like to welcome all of you. Today we are going to understand about investment into unlisted shares and investment into unlisted stock market. So many people of you are knowing that stock market investment normally starts from when an IPO of a company came. These days, since yesterday, a big buzz is coming in the stock market about the IPO of LIC. Though it has been announced, it will come in the first week of May. We want to wish all of you a very happy and prosperous IPO listing of LIC. Though it is a too big to fail company, everyone will try to invest and get some pie out of it. But let's see what will happen. Second thing, why we are making this video on unlisted stock investment, there are a few important points I want to share. In stock market, friends, normally you can only invest after an IPO, right? So if you have some understanding about the business and if you are a risk taker, then a new opportunity of investment into unlisted market has also been arrived. Why I am trying to say to all of you is the IPO, pre-IPO investment is an investment opportunity which can give you lots and lots of benefit. But unlike few of the failures of the last year IPO, it has also a very high amount of risk as well. But if you have a proper calculation, if you understand the company, if you have the idea about the business, if you have the transactional idea about the entire finance, and if you have a vision to hold the company even after an IPO, you should try another way of investment, which is pre-IPO. Pre-IPO stage investment normally is done by big investors, also known as anchor investors. The anchor investor list mainly comprises of foreign institutional investors and domestic institutional investor. But now, how you can participate into this is simple. If you are an Indian citizen and if you have an Indian bank account, you can apply for few of the unlisted stock which is available in the stock market. Though the number of unlisted shares which are being traded is very limited right now, roughly around 30 to 35, and most of the company are known to you also. For example, Tata Technologies, HDFC Securities, Reliance Retail, many of them are trading these days on a very expensive valuation. But if you have a correct learning, if you have risk-taking appetite, and if you have the holding power, then you can definitely switch your investment back from the traditional investment to an investment into unlisted stock. Unlisted stock definitely are going to play important role in the times to come. Still, there are few of the important things one should always remember before investment into unlisted stock. You have to hold the stock for at least 6 months after the day of IPO. For example, if I have bought HDFC Securities today at X price, and if the HDFC IPO will come next year, then from the day of IPO, I have to hold the shares for next 6 months in my demat. I can't be able to sell that share. So that is one risk as well as one constraint with investment into pre-listed market. But if you have got a good opportunity, if you think that the valuation is well priced and well calculated, and if you are able to get a pie of a good company before IPO, definitely you should go and grasp it. Definitely pre-IPO investment or unlisted IPO investment also comprises of big financial risk. So better to contact your financial advisor before taking any formal decision. In last, I will summarize, pre-IPO investment is going to change the way people are doing investment in the times to come. Only one important thing is you have to educate yourself. You have to learn how to read the balance sheet and some idea about the business. You can't blame everyone for the failure of IPO, but definitely pre-IPO investment is going to change the way investment is done in stock market in India. Thank you so much.